Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to ABC Learning English. Today, I stand before you as a motivational speaker ready to ignite the flames of perseverance and determination within each and every one of you. I want to share with you a powerful message that resonates deep within our souls. Never give up. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, triumphs and tribulations. Along this path, we encounter obstacles that test our resilience and challenge our very core. But it is during these moments, when the road seems treacherous and the horizon appears dim, that we must find the strength to press on. Each one of us has faced setbacks and disappointments. We have all experienced moments when our dreams seemed shattered and the weight of failure threatened to consume us. But my friends, it is during these darkest hours that our true character is revealed. It is in these moments of adversity that we find the opportunity to rise above, to overcome the impossible, and to achieve greatness. Think of the countless individuals throughout history who faced insurmountable odds but refused to surrender. Thomas Edison, the great inventor, failed thousands of times before successfully creating the light bulb. Albert Einstein, the brilliant physicist, was told he would never amount to anything, but they never gave up. You see, success is not reserved for the chosen few. It is not a gift bestowed upon a select group of individuals. Success is a result of perseverance, hard work, and an unwavering belief in oneself. It is the product of countless hours of dedication, sacrifice, and the refusal to accept defeat. In the face of adversity, remember that failure is not the end, but merely a stepping stone on the path to success. It is through failure that we learn, grow, and evolve. It is through failure that we discover our true potential and develop the strength to rise above our limitations. When you feel like giving up, remember that every challenge you encounter is an opportunity in disguise. Embrace these challenges, for they are the catalysts that push you to reach new heights. Believe in your abilities, for within you lies an untapped reservoir of potential waiting to be unleashed. Never underestimate the power of perseverance. It is the driving force that separates those who achieve greatness from those who settle for mediocrity. When obstacles appear insurmountable, remind yourself of your purpose, your passion, and your dream. Let them fuel your determination and propel you forward. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your vision and lift you up in times of doubt. Seek inspiration from those who have walked the path before you, for their stories serve as reminders that success is possible even in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. Remember that success is not a destination, but a journey. It is not measured solely by wealth, fame, or material possessions. True success lies in the pursuit of your passions, the fulfillment of your passions, the fulfillment of your purpose, and the impact you make on the lives of others. So, my friends, I implore you today and every day hereafter to never give up. Embrace the challenges, conquer the obstacles, and rise above the limitations. Believe in yourself, for you possess within you the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Let your journey be one of unwavering determination, unyielding courage, and relentless pursuit of your dreams. And remember, when the road gets tough and the skies turn gray, that is the precise moment to dig deep, find that spark of resilience within you, and never give up. Together, let us embark on this journey, united by our unwavering spirit, and together we will create a world where dreams know no limits. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and never, ever give up. Thank you, and may your journey be filled with boundless possibility.